Hello out there. This is trading lessons for beginners, but also a strategy. But before it becomes a strategy, but you must first start by understanding. We're talking about support and resistance lines that you can apply. This is trading view. Okay, you can simply apply your trend line just from up here. Okay, just take one line, just click, and then you can just obviously apply it for yourself on the chart. But where do you apply it? Because usually, how do you say that, okay, I want to apply my support and resistance? Usually support and resistance are applied after a major upswings and downswings in the market trend. So the current market trend is sort of like going sideways, though there is much volatility, as you can see, up and down trends. But usually now the prices are locked up. Okay, sorry for that. They are usually locked up now in this part, whereby the highest it goes. This is Bitcoin, by the way, which is at $20,000. It went the most recent highest point, and usually you put that as your resistance level. So it hasn't been able to break through that resistance level of $20,000 plus. As you can see, there has been another attempt here as well previously. Then there was also two more attempts that look like to be a double trend line resistance level, whereby the price resisted twice. Okay, and now we are locked here, right here in the middle, and then here at the bottom you'll always have your support line. Okay, so this is where the price went at the most lowest, so it did not has not been able to break through this level, and this level here, and is at $18,000 per coin. So you can just simply note it down. The highest level is $20,000, and the lowest, which is your support, which is at $18,000 and 90 something, a little bit, but I would just simply say $18,000. That is your support. You state it down. But how will this benefit you? As soon as you see a breakthrough on either of these, support or resistance, it is likely that this trend will continue going upwards. Okay, it is likely that the trend will go upwards. Okay, continue upwards. Or if it breaks down this way, which is your support line, it is likely that the market will go downwards. But for now, it is locked up right here in the middle. Okay, and another thing is that there are also double tops that you see here. Double top is a significant sign of the trend or trend reversal that happens right on the top. So that double top has been a strong one. I will explain double tops and double bottoms further on our next lesson, but for now let us focus on our support and resistance lines. So we are looking for major breakthroughs from either lines of your resistance line or your support line. These are applied after a very strong uptrend and downtrend swings, and then the price sort of locks up into this sideways trend where there is a little bit of undecisiveness whether the market to continue to going up and down. So there's been a hold up, so you can wait for as long as you can until you see a support line being broken out or the resistant line. As soon as you see that resistant line, most traders are likely to place their buy orders just above right here, and they will place their stop orders, and of course also on this side as well they can also place their stop order right below their support line if the market continues going down or if the market continues going up. But you do to measure that this price action, you just simply apply, this is my support, this is my resistance, okay, this is my support and my resistance line, and then you mark the prices where your resistance is. Your resistance is at $20,000 plus, and your support line is at $18,000. Then you know that if it breaks lower or higher than these prices that we have stated, it is likely that the market will continue on that trend. Thereby you would place a buy order or a sell order depending on where the price breaks through. These are some of the basics that you can practice on TradingView, just to test yourself and sort of like be patient. Just to test some of these strategies is extremely important. You don't have to enter the trade immediately, but you can also enter or put on pending orders that can safely give you profits if the market turns to either side, whether it breaks through the resistance line, which is normally always on top, and your support, always remember, it's always at the bottom. And there are other types of support and resistance techniques that you can apply into, like the ascending triangle as well. On my theory, it also has that thing that's a price breaks resistance. Okay, now also this, even though you have an ascending triangle, this part here, the bottom part here, remains your support, and the top part will always remain as your resistance. Has it stated there that it is also a resistant line that is on top of the image. And before that, it was not yet. It attempted 2 or 3 times to break the resistance point, just to measure it, and then as soon as it breaks through the resistance level, and then right here, and then you can start placing that order. Like I was saying, placing pending orders is also safe. Then you can start ripping some profits on the way going up. Then you can place your take profit and so forth wherever maybe you feel safe for, you still feel safe at. And here you have your higher lows and your higher highs, but as soon as the trend breaks either the support or resistance line, it's likely that the market will continue in that direction. Okay, now that is some of our basic lessons that you can learn as a beginner when you start trading. Please do watch out for more of our videos. And as we take a journey, if you take a journey with the trading, whether you are trading in Forex or you are trading in crypto, support and resistance do apply in most markets. Even if you are trading on the stock market, you can use this technique. Okay, thank you very much. Until next time, thank you.